Hello guys, welcome back to another tutorial. Today we'll be looking at how to solve inequalities. Let's get started. First, we'll go over the steps to solve inequalities. You need to use the properties of equality for this. To start, distribute and combine like terms. Next, move all variable terms to one side. Then, isolate the variable terms. Finally, isolate the variable to get your solution. Now, I'll walk you through an example. 5 times x minus 5 plus 3x is greater than 2x plus 11. We start by distributing and combining like terms. After getting 5x minus 25, we add 3x to get 8x minus 25. Then, we can subtract 2x from both sides to move all variable terms to one side. Afterwards, we can add 25 to both sides to end up with 6x is greater than 36. Lastly, dividing both sides by 6 will give us our solution. X is greater than 6. Let's also learn how to graph these inequalities on a number line. First, you need to decide which type of dot you should place, a closed dot if it includes the number, and an open one if it doesn't. Next, an arrow must be graphed to show the direction of possible solutions to the inequality. Since values of x are greater than 6 without including it, we use an open dot, and put an arrow pointing to the right, representing infinite solutions in the positive direction. Five, 4, 3, 2, 1. Here's the answer. Pause if you need more time.